In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Planet VPN. Very simple and easy. So this is one of the VPNs that's going to help you get access to premium countries for free. You can get it on Apple Store and Google Play Store too as well. So to connect, you just launch your app like this. You can see connect here. You can change the servers by tapping on the recommended server, and you can see you can get Netherlands, Germany, US, UK and France for free. So let me select the US for free. Good. And now I'm connected and you can see it appears here. So now let me disconnect, and now let's talk about some of the settings you can find on here. So one thing about this VPN is you can start using it without creating an account. You can see this here. When I tap on the account, they're sending me to sign in. So this means you can use the VPN without you creating any sort of account. You just hop on here, connect, and you're good to go. Now let's tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner of our screen. And on here, you can see your plan. I'm on a free version. I don't even have an account yet. And the settings, you can tap on the settings here and you can turn on auto connect if you have premium. So the auto connect, anytime you connect to the internet, your mobile phone needs to connect to the US, something like that. You select your protocols too as well. It's up to you. Open VPN and this. So you just use StarGuard, which is the automatic one being chosen, and then you add some exceptions if you want to. And on here you can check your subscriptions too as well. You can check what they have for you, and you can also subscribe if you think it's a good VPN for you. And I think that's it. When you sign in, you get access to your account, and you can get access to delete your account and all that. Yeah, very simple. That's it for the interface on Planet VPN. So this is one of the best according to their service they give you for free. So if you're new here, just give me a like, subscribe to the channel. That's it for the video. Peace.